Why did 90% of entrepreneurs panic last year? Because a digital disaster doesn't knock before it crashes your party. Meet Jack. Jack's trendy online store was all the buzz until his website, running on WordPress, caught a nasty bug: malware. Overnight, his digital dream seemed like it was turning into a nightmare. Enter Avengers It Ltd. Jack stumbled upon us on social media during his frantic search for a solution. Desperate, he gave us a ring. And like the superheroes we are, we swooped in. Picture this. Our team of elite cybersecurity experts, capes fluttering, not really, but bear with me, diving into the depths of Jack's website. With precision and speed, they battled the pesky malware. And voila! Before you could say Avengers Assemble, the malware was history. Jack's website was not only back up and running, it was safer, faster, and more secure than ever. Jack's business? Back to booming. All thanks to the digital heroes at Avengers IT Ltd. Remember, when malware strikes, we're just a click away.